You click this video because of the thumbnail. This is my secret, Cocoa Quick. No hiding. I drink this every day in the morning. You just need to pour it in the bottle of shaker and add 250 ml of water. Then shake it like that. You are ready to go. Yummy! For lunch, I don't know what it is called, but yeah, just cook the rice first. Wash the rice, rinse it, then add some more water. Let's prepare the shrimp. I put it in the fridge first. We must have veggie to eat healthy. I don't know what it is called. Is it enoki? Just a mushroom, one type of mushroom. You need to cut into half. And wash it. It's the tofu. We cut. Let's cook it. Add some water. The rice is ready. Yay, we are ready to go. This is my lunch. Yummy. I'm going out for grocery. This is Giant. Let's take a basket. I'm not alone. My boyfriend is filming me picking the veggie, the salmon. We are home. Let's marinate the salmon with salt, pepper, lemon, and rosemary. Again, eat healthy. Veggie. Yay, we cook some egg for protein. Wow. Wow, look delicious. Yummy. Thanks for watching.